In this video, I share cooking tips and a beginner cook recipe that's a crowd pleaser. But first and foremost, healthy cooking starts by washing your hands. You'll want to watch the entire video for the bonuses that are featured in this video. Hi, everyone. My name is Holly, and I am blessed to know a thing or two. Let's get into this. First up, making a salad. Me personally, I like salad in a bag. It's nice, it's convenient, it's actually a running start to making a salad. Does it count as cooking? Sure, why not? Here's what's going to make it cooking. Let's do what restaurants do. We are going to sprinkle both garlic and onion powder over the salad. Mix it well. If you'd like to dice up other veggies like cucumbers, tomatoes, mini bell peppers, carrots, celery, sure, do that. You can also not only put that in the salad, but you can make a snack tray or plate and have it for lunch, those veggies. If you're new to the cooking world and you're already doing these things, congratulations. Great going. Good job. All right, next up is a crowd-pleasing recipe. After washing your hands, wash all the produce for this recipe, which are the carrots, the green onions, and that is it for this recipe. So make sure that those two items, use your vegetable or fruit wash and make sure that those are nice and clean. For your carrots, you'll need a peeler and you're going to cut the outermost part of the carrot. Next, you are going to cut those carrots into bite-sized pieces so that the food processor can handle those bits of carrots nicely. Make sure that's grated up real nice in your food processor. Next, you're going to cut your green onions up, that little bunch that you get at the grocery store. I actually bought my little bag of green onions from Aldi's. And that bunch, you're going to use a knife and cut up both the white and green parts of the green onions. Next, for the olives, you're going to drain the juice from the can and put those olives into the food processor. Special note here, you are doing each one of these vegetables separately in your food processor. And then after you grate them up, you're putting them in a storage container. And once we're all done with the food processor and cutting up all those items, put them in a container. And then after that's completed, you are going to take your cream cheese that is at room temperature. You're going to mix in your dry ranch pack it, put in that content into the cream cheese, mix that up real nice. Once you do that, you're going to spread cream cheese, a nice little thin layer across your tortilla shell. There's about 12 in a pack. I usually like the spinach tortilla shells, but you can do a combination. It's nice to see both the green tortilla shells and the red. It makes any presentation look a little festive. All right. So you take your cream cheese ranch mixture, put that onto your tortilla shell, and then you're going to sprinkle on each of those veggies that we either cut up or put into the food processor. So sprinkle each one on to your tortilla shell and roll it up. You're going to wrap it in an aluminum foil and put all 12 into the refrigerator. And it needs to be in the refrigerator maybe 4 to 5 hours. After that is all done, then you can, after 5 hours or so, you can cut it up into pieces and enjoy. Again, you are going to wrap those into aluminum foil and wait. Next, those veggies that you put into your salad, the cucumbers, the mini bell peppers, carrots that you put into your salad, you know that you can have those as a healthy little snack. Bonus number one is that I found that Menards has a nice little compartment, travel size storage container that is perfect for snacks. It's a little carrying case, and you could actually put these veggie roll-ups in there, put some nuts. I actually thought to put some nuts. Figured I'd make something special considering I'm focusing, or I need to focus on my nails. I put something, veggies or nuts, that are geared towards nail health. So you can make something that is tailored for your specific needs and put it in a little storage container like that. I found mine again at Menards. It was on the end cap for $1.99. So you'll want to take advantage of that. That's one of your bonuses. All right, everyone. The last thing on my list is to check out my cranberry hawthorn citrus sauce. It is perfect for the holiday. So this appetizer, along with the cranberry citrus sauce, they are very two good things to bring to any office function or dinner party, you name it, or have it as a snack. Please continue to watch the video. Happy holidays, everyone. God bless you and your family. Take care and stay tuned for my next video that I'll feature for the holiday. It's a holiday dinner. Come back. Take care. Bye-bye.